Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil nano wakwe zonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist, and you are tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up to Majine. Everybody give it up to her. Give it up to her. All right, good. So thanks a lot, Majine, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day request. So I asked Majine to describe herself for me, and she said that overall she's a very giving person, a very generous person. She says that she wants to open up a nonprofit and basically teach law at a college as well too. And she overall just wants to manifest prosperity and goodness into the lives of her friends and her family. So she's really giving with her talents. She's in the law field herself, so she wants to teach law. She wants to manifest goodness into the lives of others. Just be a very philanthropic person. So I was thinking about the perfect Igbo name for her, right? And since she's so giving, I'm gonna give her the name Chinyere. Come on, say that name with me. Chinyere. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Chi in this context means God. Sometimes it can mean destiny, but in this context it means God, right? Or like the personal God for your life. And Nyere means like to give, right? So you put those two together, and what do you get? Chinyere. God's gift, or God gives, or something close to like God has given me, right? A lot of times it's kind of like part of an intended saying, like Chinyere mwa, like God has given me a child, or maybe something like Chinyere mihe dioma, like God has given me something good. You know what I'm saying? But usually people just go by that name, Chinyere, right? So the reason why I gave her this name is because God has given to her, and she also wants to give to others. She wants to teach criminal justice at a college, and she always likes to help people. So that's why I gave her that name, Chinyere. So Chinyere's names give them the power to bring out the best in others. They're very charitable and they're very social. Tag and share this video with all the Chinyeres that you know. Thanks. So Chinyere, what do you think? Is that a good name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know down in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So please like this video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. You might get a notification from when you send in your request to get an Igbo Name of the Day. Share this video with someone who might also want an Igbo name too. So if you would like an Igbo name, just let me know, and I'm gonna link my Instagram in the description down below. So hit me up, send me a DM, and you'll tell me about yourself, and I'll give you the perfect Igbo name for you. All right? And if you already do have an Igbo name because you're Igbo, let me know, and I will highlight your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. So thanks, I appreciate everyone's support of this series that highlights Igbo names. If you would like to get connected back with your African roots and your culture and learn a little bit more about where you came from and the essence of your name, and getting basically like the power that comes from it, let me know. I can definitely help you out with that. I get a lot of people hitting me up and they say that they've taken African ancestry DNA tests or things like that, and they found out that they're Nigerian, and so they want to know what their name would be if they were Igbo, right? So yeah, let me know, and I could definitely help out with that. If there is anything you'd like to know about Igbo Nigerian culture or Nigerian culture in general, also feel free to hit me up on my social media. It's all linked below, and my Instagram is below, and all of my social media is also going to be on the credits of this video. All right, so thanks a lot. Take care. I will see you in the next video.